stayed up on this side a little bit. It normally tries to walk. You're high centered on the rock.
What do you want me to do?
Well, it just needs the front end to go that way about a foot. So maybe
back up?
Yeah, try to turn it to the right. Back up.
What?
Yeah, turn it this way. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. Okay. Hard left forward now. You just a little bit, went up a little bit too high on
You want
this
me to go
spot.
hard driver?
Hard driver. Oh, dude, you're there. Usually keep it left like that and it'll pull itself.